how to remove someone from close friends list on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your desktop. You can only manipulate or you can only edit your close friends list on your desktop. Now here, tap on www.facebook.com and then just sign in or log in your account there. And then the next thing that you want to do is here on your homepage on the left side, you will see different options there, right? The shortcuts. Now what I want you to do is to tap on find friends and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do here is you will see these options. You'll see home, friend requests, suggestions, all friends, birthdays, and custom list. Tap on custom list there and tap on close friends. As you can see here, you have set someone to close friends. Now if you want to remove that person, just simply tap on X here. Now the other way is you can go to this person's profile here, and here you will see these friends here, right? If you tap on that, these options will come out. Then tap on edit friend list here. Now you have successfully removed this person to your close friends list. And basically that is how you remove someone from close friends list on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give it some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.